sound that brings me fear fades too clear. In the quiet of your peace, my restless thoughts begin to cease. Every battle I once knew turns to you. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your grace. Echoes of grace, soft and light, fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment hurting you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. When my heart begins to break, your healing presence starts to wake. Every tear that falls unseen turns serene. Through the stillness of the night, your holy echoes shine with light. Every wound you start to mend, as you said. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your grace. Echoes of grace, soft and light, fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment hurting you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. Let your presence stay, guide me every day. Speak into my soul, make me Echoes of grace, soft and light, fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment hurting you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. Echoes of grace, call to me. Echoes of grace, call to me. Echoes of grace. Wings of mercy, cover me. When the nights are cold and long, your gentle love remains so strong. Every doubt that fills my mind falls behind. In the quiet of your grace, I feel your warmth in every place. Every fear begins to fade, unafraid. Your mercy lifts me high, like wings across the sky. When my strength is wearing thin, your healing presence pulls me in. Every tear that falls tonight needs your light. You restore my weary heart, breathing life in every part. Every burden that I bear, you repair. Before my eyes, guide me every day, show the way. Soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted up. keeps me strong. Every shadow fades from sight in your light. Gentle whispers fill the air. I feel your love already there. Every heartbeat starts to rise, sanctified. Your glory breaks the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. All my doubts undone by your Son. Light of heaven, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every moment that I breathe, I believe light of heaven. waves of glory fall on me. As the morning finds my soul, your gentle presence makes me whole. Every whisper, soft and clear, says I'm here. Through the silence of the sky, your holy love begins to rise. Every fear I knew before is no more. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. Me through every moment wrapped in fear disappears in the stillness of your grace. Your glowing mercy fills the space. Every part of me revived. You provide. Feels brave. moment, every sigh. You are nigh. Through the silence of the night, your presence brings a holy light. Every burden starts to fall at your call. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my When the night is closing in, your tender presence calms my skin. Every shadow in my soul loses hold. In the quiet of the dawn, your holy whisper lingers on. Every fear that once held tight meets your light. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decreased by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. When my soul grows tired and worn, your gentle love begins to form. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You revive the heart within. You break the chains of fear and sin. Every broken part restored by my Lord. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decrease by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. presence lingers on, every shadow fades away as you stay. Your peace begins to rise like sunlight breaking through the skies. My weary heart finds rest in your breath. Your mercy calls again, like rivers without end. Every fear release. River of mercy, deep and wide, wash me clean on every side. Every wave that touches me sets me free. Stay by my side. River of mercy.